First look at the right wing. It's the bottom of the fuel tank. Aft spar. Extremely large bird's nest. So you got a lot of cleaning to do here. It's looking a little rough. I think some sandblasting will fix it. I'm working on my ailerons right now. Disassembling them so I can get these steel parts out. So I can sandblast them and get them ready for primer. But one of the interesting things about this airplane is if you look at these rivets, they don't have a dimple in the metal. Unlike a more modern rivet's got that dimple right in the middle. That dimple makes it very easy to drill out if you have to replace it, whereas these are not so easy. So what I do with these is take a tool like this, find the center, and then stick it, and then twirl it around once or twice. Make sure it's in the center, which of course it isn't. But you get the idea. Then I drill it out with a number 50, which is pretty small. And then I go to the full size number 40 drill, and that cleans it out. So that's just one of the challenges of working on an 80-year-old airplane. the ailerons. Got some jury strut fittings. Got some jury struts there. And some leaves for the tail wheel. So I don't have a lot of saying, so let's see how we do with it. Too bad. Bunch of jury strut parts, aileron steel parts. That's what it looks like when it's sandblasted.